Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best blueberry peach ginger ale is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing beverages to hit the market, blending the sweet, familiar taste of blueberries with the juicy, tropical notes of peach, all brought together with the zesty, invigorating kick of ginger ale, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate and offer a delightful escape from the ordinary, making it a perfect companion for any occasion, whether you're relaxing at home or entertaining guests. Number 5. True Focus Seltzer Apple Kiwi. Experience a refreshing new way to focus. True Focus Seltzer offers a crisp, clean taste with natural energy boosters. Crafted with green tea extract, yerba mate, and L-theanine, it provides sustained energy without the jitters. Enjoy the vibrant taste of real apple and kiwi juice. It's a delicious way to invigorate your senses. Sweetened perfectly with monk fruit and stevia, you get all the flavor with none of the sugar. It's guilt-free enjoyment. This drink is gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. It's a choice you can feel good about. Get a 12-pack of these 12 fluid ounces cans delivered right to you. Perfect for keeping your focus on hand. What we like. If you're looking for a mental boost without the sugar crash, this is your go-to. It's crafted with green tea extract and yerba mate for sustained energy. Consider this if you need to power through work or study sessions and prefer a naturally sweetened, guilt-free beverage. What people say. The taste profile is a pure tropical delight. You get a bright, zesty burst of orange that is perfectly complemented by the smooth, authentic sweetness of ripe mango. The combination of 100 milligrams of natural caffeine sourced from green tea extract and B vitamins delivers a smooth, consistent energy lift without the typical jitters or abrupt crash associated with traditional energy drinks. The drinks are lightly carbonated and taste like real juice with a bit of a sparkle. Number 4. Q Ginger Ale with real ginger and organic agave. Experience the crisp and refreshing taste of our premium ginger ale. It's perfect for elevating your favorite cocktails, mocktails, or simply enjoying on its own. We craft this ginger ale with real ginger, organic agave, and a blend of natural spices like rose oil, orange peel, and cardamom. You won't find any artificial flavors or high fructose corn syrup here. Enjoy a less sugary option with 32% less sugar than other brands, sweetened naturally with organic agave. It's perfectly carbonated to keep your drinks bubbly from the first sip to the last. This ginger ale is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it straight, over ice with a squeeze of citrus, or as the star ingredient in your next creative cocktail or mocktail. Our 7.5 ounces cans are perfect for single servings, ensuring no more flat or leftover drinks. They're ideal for parties, stocking your home bar, or taking on the go where glass bottles aren't practical. With only 60 calories per can and made with real, natural ingredients, it's a choice you can feel good about. It's the perfect balance of flavor and refreshment. What we like. For those who appreciate a sophisticated and less sugary beverage, this is the ideal choice. Its complex flavor profile from real ginger and botanicals makes it perfect for elevating cocktails and mocktails. If you're a discerning drinker who enjoys a crisp, bubbly mixer or a standalone drink without excessive sweetness, you should choose this. What people say. It actually has the ginger bite to it. Totally recommend for highest ginger flavor. It's very bubbly and crisp, definitely very good for digestion and in cocktails, plus not that high on sugar like regular ginger ale. Quality ginger ale, effervescent and convenient size. Perfect mixer and drinks are a lone refresher. Number 3. Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale Soda, 12 fluid ounces, pack of 12. Introducing Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale, a caffeine-free soda. It's a delightful blend of blackberry and ginger flavors. This unique flavor variation offers a refreshing twist to the classic ginger ale. It's perfect for those who love fruity and flavorful drinks. Experience a truly unique taste sensation. The sweetness of blackberries perfectly complements the subtle spiciness of ginger. Enjoy a beverage that's both refreshing and distinct. It provides a delightful escape with every sip. Whether you're relaxing at home or entertaining guests, this soda is a wonderful choice. Its balanced flavor makes it a crowd pleaser. You can enjoy this delicious soda any time of day. It's completely caffeine-free, offering guilt-free refreshment. What we like. If you enjoy a fruity and refreshing twist on a classic, this is for you. The blend of blackberry and ginger offers a unique taste experience without caffeine. You should consider this if you're looking for a delightful, caffeine-free beverage to enjoy any time of day, especially if you love berry flavors. What people say. It's delicious and perfect for winter. Everything was packaged thoroughly, nothing busted or leaking. It has a very subtle flavor. It's better not to put it over ice, as that, well, dilutes it. Number 2. Canada Dry Cherry Gingerale Fruit Splash 12 ounces, pack of 12. Experience the crisp and refreshing taste of ginger ale, enhanced with a splash of real cherry juice. It's a delightful blend that invigorates your senses. Unwind and find your comfort zone with an ice-cold sip. This beverage is the perfect companion to make any moment of escape even better. Enjoy the satisfying fizziness of this carbonated soda. It tickles your senses with a unique and delightful flavor profile. This drink is caffeine-free and contains no artificial flavors, offering a pure and natural taste. It's made with a splash of real juice for added goodness. It's perfect for mixing delicious cocktails or simply enjoying on its own over ice. Savor the refreshing taste in any way you prefer. What we like. This is the perfect option for a comforting and flavorful escape. Made with a splash of real cherry juice, it offers a delightful taste that's both relaxing and refreshing. If you're seeking a caffeine-free beverage to unwind with after a long day or as a light mixer, this ginger ale is a great choice. What people say. The cherry flavor blends smoothly with the traditional ginger ale taste without being overpowering or syrupy. It's sweet, but not in a cough medicine kind of way, and still has that crisp, clean finish that Canada Dry is known for. The carbonation level is just right, giving it a refreshing fizz that makes it great on its own or even as a mixer for cocktails. Number 1. Vita Coco Peach Mango Coconut Water. Getting great tasting coconut water used to be a challenge. Now, you can enjoy it with just one simple step. This refreshing drink is packed with vitamins, nutrients, and essential electrolytes. It contains more potassium than a banana. It's the perfect natural choice for refreshment anytime, anywhere. Enjoy it before a workout, with a meal, or as a pick-me-up. This drink is fat-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO. With only 45 calories per serving, it's a smarter, lower-calorie option. We combined 2 amazing flavors, peach and mango, for an incredible taste experience. You're welcome. What we like. If you need a natural and delicious way to hydrate, this is your best bet. Packed with electrolytes and the tropical flavors of peach and mango, it's a smart alternative to sugary drinks. You should choose this if you're looking for a healthy, fat-free, and gluten-free option to replenish your body, whether after a workout or as an everyday pick-me-up. What people say. The flavor is a perfect blend of blueberry, peach, and ginger. It has a refreshing taste that is not too sweet. The ginger adds a nice subtle kick without being overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.